Have you ever wondered how to get started doing breathwork practices? This is Eddie with a Mindful Emergence, where Margaret and I help individuals get more out of life by accessing their inner resources using mindfulness, movement, and breathing practices. And if you like this video, check out others. We invite you, obviously, to subscribe, hit that little notification bell so that you don't miss future videos that we're putting out. So let's talk about breath work. Breath work is becoming more and more popular for the reason that it can be profoundly transformative. Having said that, there are a lot of different types of breath work practices. The type of breath work that Margaret and I offer is called integrative breath work. And what's really important if you're doing this is to be able to do proper integration, but also proper preparation. And this is something that we offer you. We've been doing breath work personally and offering it professionally for about 7 years. So, how do you get started? Well, first of all, you might want to do a little bit of research. Uh, it's not required to read this book, but for example, here's a book called Holotropic Breathwork by Stan and Christina Groff, who created this practice, I don't know, about 50 years or so ago. And it offers a lot of information about how to do this practice. So you can read up on it. Also, you can reach out to us. So you can reach us, and I'm going to put the link down below in the description, but just email us at discover at a mindfulemergence.com. Discover at a mindfulemergence.com. And if you do that and tell us, hey, I'm interested in learning about integrative breath work, we will send you information. For example, first thing we'll find out is it appropriate for you? There are certain individuals who have what are called contraindications, and it's not recommended. For example, if you're pregnant or if you have issues with heart disease, not necessarily recommended. We go over those things with you. We screen everybody that we offer the practice to make sure that it's okay for them. We also give you a lot of information on how to do the preparation. For example, it's important to have certain items to be able to get the maximum benefit out of it. One thing that's very helpful is to have some kind of eye shade. Now, these are really great, but you don't have to have these. You can use eye pillows or scarves, but something to cover your eyes. The actual practice is about an hour long where you cover your eyes, and we have playlists that are specifically designed to kind of take you on a journey. Very evocative music that's very important and helps guide the practice. That, in combination with the type of breathing that you do, which we demonstrate, it's very specific, will help take you on this process of being able to take this busy mind of ours and kind of set it aside so that we can get in touch with the inner healer. So, in order to hear the music properly, you might use earbuds like I have doing this recording, or maybe if you've got some kind of headphones. Now, these are real high tech. They cost me about 150, well worth it, but you don't need them. In fact, there are some people who do the practice and they don't even have any kind of device such as this. They just have speakers. So, there's more than one way to do this, but it's really important that you know what to expect and how to prepare yourself for that. And we provide all that information for you. And of course, if you have questions, you can reach out to us prior to the event. We offer online donation based integrative breathwork practices every month. So that means whether you're living here in Asheville, where we live, or you can live in St. Louis, or you can live in Taiwan, or anywhere in the world, if you can access a computer, you can do this practice. You need to set aside about 90 minutes to 2 hours because we do some preparation before. The actual process is about an hour, and then we have some time afterwards for integration. And the integration doesn't just stop after you finish the session with us. we offer additional resources that you can use in the days, weeks, and months afterwards. And very often, some of the benefits of doing this practice happen down the road. So it's the whole package, the preparation, the process, the integration afterwards. If you want to find out more about it, email us at discover@mindfulemergence.com and we'll set you up. And if you want to do the session that's coming up next, we'll give you the date and we'll be able to provide the link for you. And you can find out what this experience is for yourself.